down to the street little yard. Never little one of these gangsters trying to play hard. Get down to the street little yard. Never little one of these gangsters trying to play hard.
Welcome to AutoCraze once again. 2023, what a year it's been. We're here today, we've got ourselves a brand new Hilux Rogue. Now you've seen these Rogues, I've come out with brand new suspension kit, big, massive flares with very, very narrow wheels. So we've decided, you know what, time to AutoCraze this beautiful Rogue. What we're doing today, we're gonna be doing a front bar on it. Now with this front bar, we've ever got 10 million views on YouTube. You know the brand, you know what it is. We're gonna be doing it, but the problem we have and we're facing is that the flares don't line up with the bar. So what we've got the man from Ape Fabrications coming in today. He's gonna be modding up nice pods to go on the side. We're gonna color code this bar. All right guys, so we finally made it here. We're down here at SWC. I've got the boys Wally, MK over here. We've already had a yarn. We know what we're doing. We're gonna be color coding this bar, and these little modded up pieces that we did, we're gonna keep them matte black to match the flares. We're also gonna be doing the bash plate in the gray, the gloss. Massive shout out to SWC. We're also doing the AC lift to level it out from the front. We're also going to be wrapping it up with some new wheels and tyres. The one and only Nomad Sabbath wrapped with the Falcon tyres. We're also doing a Wedgetail platform with a light bar. We're also going to be adding a GME radio, window tint, the whole thing. So I hope you guys are excited. Got the bar getting ready. The bar's completely off. We're getting a pump. We're going through it. So guys, stay tuned. It's going to be the baddest Rogue in the country. So let's get it.